Alright, Gav. What are we off to do?
Get a deep fried Mars bar.
That's right. We're off to get a deep fried Mars bar.
The chippy of choice is what, 727? Yeah. And we don't actually know if they do deep fried Mars bars, but we might as well just go for it. See what it turns out to be like. this is my flatmate Gavin. Alright.
It's our second attempt. Was it 727? 27 didn't work. So we're at Philadelphia, and let's see if they do that deep fried Mars bar. What happened?
Yeah.
He said this is the chip shop, pal. Surprisingly, it's harder to get a deep fried Mars bar in Glasgow than you thought. It's third time lucky, and we're now at Mario's place. Thanks. Nice.
Like you've done it as well. Do you want?
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Alright, so success. Mario's Place, Hadlam.
It looks
Lovely. It's gonna be hot, man.
oh, that does really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you enjoy after a night out?
Yeah, that's like 10 out of 10 good. Would rate, would have again. If you're in the West End and you want a deep fried Mars bar, Mario's Place is the place to go.